What qualifications would you normally look for in a personal statement?
I don't actually look for specific qualification. There's a minimum bar of this A star, A star, A, which every CV that lands on my desk by definition has, otherwise they wouldn't just pass on the CV to me. And beyond that, doing a lot more at school level doesn't say very much about the candidate. So say, well, okay, I've also done a bunch of other school-related things. That's not a particular distinguisher. Whereas things like the multiply cited international Olympiad medals, that would be a serious distinguisher. Or other less common things that people might have done interesting, I haven't seen that. There's maybe someone worth looking at. I mean, I've had a student a few years ago who had written his own operating system before coming up just because he thought it was a fun thing to do. And I didn't know at the time if he was going to be any good, but certainly that's an interesting chap to speak to. He ended up doing very well. But anyway, this is something that shows me an interest in and an aptitude which goes beyond, I got A's, everybody else got A's. I mean, let's talk seriously about it. And so if we are looking for the exceptional ones, then we want to see exceptional things by definition are not scripted. We had spoken with, decided to interview people who had, started a charity to teach other young people about AI and mathematics, or who had sold a piece of software that they had done while still at 16 or something like that. So, it's not to say that that was the greatest piece of software ever, but it shows something that not many other 16-year-olds had done. And so we say, okay, well, maybe there's something in this guy.
Do you look more for stuff in maths or computer science when considering applicants?
We don't really look for specific achievement. We assess what is offered to us and see if it shows signs of being exceptional.